Hey everybody, this is Dustin, your RV specialist. So today I'm looking at a Trailblazer by Comfort, and I was just talking to Adam. He's over here replacing all the bushings in the center equalizer, and this is a Dexter center equalizer. So we're actually going with a wet bolt kit with heavy duty shackle links. While the customer was in here doing some other repairs, we actually came underneath and was looking, and we could actually tell that the bushings were all shot and worn out. And if you've seen any of our other videos or posts, you can see like the wear and damage. Some of them are pretty significant. This one, what was luckily is the equalizers were fine. There was no damage to those other than the bushings were worn and the bolts were starting to wear. But the actual spring eyelets were the ones that were really worn. So it actually was to the point where it opened up the springs and it would not receive a bushing in it. It would either be too loose or out of whack where it was too tight to put in. So we contacted the customer, got approval to replace new springs, and so now we're putting on new springs with a new heavy-duty wet bolt kit with heavy-duty shackle links, and then that way he should have years of less problems as far as not having to replace the bushings. So if you have a standard equalizer or this one's an extended one, if you have something like that and you haven't checked the bushings, those bushings, depending on how much you travel, every 2 to 3 years they should be replaced, checked. A lot of times you'll go back to our other videos and you can see where we did like a wiggle test and whatnot. So again, don't ever use jacks to lift up on your axles. If you're seeing this video going, what the heck are these guys doing? The unit, all the weight is off the unit and it's supported by jacks. These jacks are just sitting here, just lifting the weight of the axle itself that's not connected, just to support it so that he doesn't have to cut the wires and lower it to the ground. So okay, anyway, stay tuned for more and hope this information helps you out. Just let this serve as a reminder to keep an eye on your bushings and your suspension components. And if you haven't seen any of our other videos, we encourage you to do so. We got a ton of suspension videos out there talking about almost anything you can think of as far as like shocks and bushings and shackle links and U-bolts and how to torque them and axles, and I mean, you just name it, brakes, bearings, the whole enchilada. So hopefully you enjoyed this and check it out for more. Thanks again for watching. Dustin, your RV specialist.